It's 1:47 on Sunday morning and I'm finally going to sleep, but I just want to show you guys how much snow we've gotten. It's still snowing. I know it doesn't look like that much. I have my retainers in, so that's why I sound a little funny. I know it doesn't look like that much, but the wind is like crazy, and yeah, it's been snowing like nonstop all day Saturday, and it's supposed to keep snowing into Sunday, so. Kelsey bought us cinnamon bites for lunch. And she got pizza. Look at that. Looks so good. What is up, you guys? I just got out of work. It is 5:30. I literally worked, well, not all day, but I worked from 12:30 to 5:30. And I slept in this morning because I just really needed to sleep. Anyway, so I'm just gonna head back to school. I'm probably gonna get some dinner, and then I gotta get my life together tonight. So I will take you guys along. Hey guys, it is about 1:20. I got home from work, got some dinner, did all my laundry, as you can see, did homework, and I wrote my speech for FIMU elections. So that's basically what I did. I'm so tired. I have all this laundry to put away, and I can't decide if I'm gonna take a shower tonight or tomorrow morning. I guess it just depends on like what time all this stuff gets put away. But yeah, I'm gonna end the vlog here. I'm sorry it's been like the most boring vlog ever, literally. I think a lot of the Vlogmas days are gonna be like that just because I'm working and I have school, but I'm gonna try and make it fun for you guys anyway. But thank you guys so much for watching. I love you, and I'll see you tomorrow.